Let me make sure I can see. Where's the... Oh.
How can you let Trey put it on your face? Wait, let me get the bottom part. Wait. Wait.
I'm hiding from ninjas who wanted to be nice. Why were you hiding behind that tree?
There.
Do you know any?
Why is the his back so hairy?
Tell her to leave your back alone.
But like really
Why
though?
you can't?
Why is
Your
it?
hair is the easiest out of everybody's to trim because it's straight.
That's not my fault. Look, Aaliyah, turn towards me. Look at this, yeah. So good.
We're getting darker here.
I think it's about to rain. The clouds are moving in.
Not that bad. We have my hair is called 3A, where we don't have curls.
That's got some curls.
That's a wave.
It's like 3B. 3A,
3A, 3B. You run a brush through it, it's straight. Like Jordan hair. I think Jordan have, I don't know.
Jordan stopped messing with it long enough.
Jordan had 3C, I think. She had them ringlet curls. Hair goes.
I got some of them in the back.
Her and Jamie got the same kind of hair.
No, I have some of those in the back in the kitchen area.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is a hot mess. I'm going about a half
The
an
red
inch.
shirt has to be like weird shaped, kind of like the burrow, but not shaped like the burrow. It should be shaped like the burrow or like Luna's house. Weird shape. Well, you need to brush your teeth. You're gonna get plaque, and then you're gonna get harder, and then it's not gonna be
Tell
good.
her, hey, help me brush my teeth.
Then your teeth are gonna fall out, and then you won't have teeth. You're gonna be like that one dude who can just like pull stuff out of his teeth. It's really gross. Dude.
Is it that serious?
He didn't brush his teeth in 30 years. It was so gross.
Stop scaring that baby like
That's how you get people to listen.
You gonna give them nightmares.
Well, that's really gross. That's why she needs to brush her teeth.
Waking up
Put that
telling me,
snake.
Mom, I was dreaming last night. I had a bad dream. The snake. You have to wait.
Because you said that snake was adorable.
Get down,
He
like
is adorable, though.
That snake is not adorable.
Yes, he is. He's adorable.
You have to wait a minute till I
But
finish
not
her hair.
the most adorable one that Journey has. Houdini is. But I don't have any pictures of him. He's always hiding. That's why he's called Houdini. Fine, I won't touch it.
Too many. Zaya, are you okay?
She choking.
You choking?
Help her out.
Be careful.
Lift her arms over her head if she
She's
needs
fine
it.
now.
See that
Behind
gun?
the,
See, this kid's trying to shoot me. What? You hit yourself with a
Tariq.
backpack? You tried to hit me and you hit yourself. So, I don't know why you're so mad at me. You shouldn't have tried to hit me with a backpack. Then you would have hurt. Then you wouldn't have hurt yourself. Yeah, he lifted up that rolling backpack and he bumped his head on the wheel, trying to hit me with it. He was like this. Lee, you need to brush your teeth.
I'm going to stick it long, long
A lot of
way.
dirty. What it has. What does it have?
Dirty stuff.
No, you have to say, what does it have?
What does it have?
Yes. Not what it has. What does it have?
Dirty.
What does it have? They said on the Cosby Show. Say who is it? Who it is?
Say, who is it, Leah?
No, not who it is. Who is it?
Who is it?
Who it is?
Mm-hmm.
Tariq, say, who is it?
Not. That's why I need to be cut.
That's whenever he
Not.
says no, you only see like one of his teeth. Like, his teeth are uneven.
Ball.
Get it.
Not.
I don't see a bug.
Let's see. What? Nah, back up from here. Because I have these scissors.
It's a dead bug. There's a bug outside. Right there. In the window. Outside.
Go over there and have a seat.
I can't.
Here, look down. Now look to the side. Over here. Now you see it?
Oh, I dropped the scissors. You better stop.
You should take that away from him.
Go in there and take a time out with that thing. You cannot stand right here.
Try to find his thingies.
What? They're not over here?
I saw.
Okay, well, you have to wait. They shouldn't be over here.
They.
Justice.
What? What is this?
You know.
Oh.
Turn your head that way.
We're like 7th grade, you know.
I should have made you sit that way.
They even started watching Naruto, and I'm like, Naruto's dumb. Like, it's actually the dumbest show ever.
What's today, the 20th? December the 20th. My arm's tired. Okay.
Aaliyah, Aaliyah. Aaliyah, Aaliyah. Aaliyah, take the camera down.
Zai, what are you doing?
She's being Zion. Zion, stop rolling. Your ladybug. It's a pillow hat. Go give it to Zion.
That's not
That's
your
not your
ladybug.
ladybug.
Whose is it? It is yours.
It's a pillow pet. It's a pillow. It's a pet.
It's your ladybug.
It's a pillow.
I gave her that at the hospital.
Yes, it is.
Okay, turn your head to me.
Then what
Not turn
is
your
it,
head.
Zion?
Turn your chair or sit sideways
You don't know what it is.
so I can get the other
He
side.
doesn't know.
Battery is down.
I won't.
Just yeah.
Look right on the
I
table.
did. Look. You see what I'm here?
Careful right there.
Well, that wasn't for me.
I want
That was
to
for you.
Hit the camera.
I'm just kidding. It wasn't for you.
You still recording?
That's for you.
No, it wasn't from me.
Yep.
It was from Tariq.
Ooh, I forgot to charge this.
Yes?
Oh. Here.
That's not. That's Layla's.
Look.
It's Layla's.
Be careful, Leah.
Go over there and help Zion. Help Zion get the scooter.
Not. I'm just gonna cut that right on out.
Here, look.
You gotta give it to Layla though.
I can.
It's Yaya's.
It's yes.
Layla. Don't sit on my lap. I gotta get up.
She
What, Zion?
We good up.
It's not a ladybug?
Yeah.
Yes?
I don't know what they're making. They're making Wally Kazam. They're
Wally Kazam.
making Wally Kazam. No, they're not.
Tariq, you need to be very careful on this table. Sit down and wait. I did just tell you. I'm almost finished.
Just this. Out. Just the first sitting here. The fun. Don't stop. Shoot me. You get off. That's just the
Remember when Jasmine cut her hair like Dora?
well, just the
Oh, that was funny.
sit here.
Get down off the table.
Figure my spots.
Hey. Child went and chopped off half her head.
Just this spot.
Remember when Jordan cut off like a ton of it?
Get out just this spot.
Because Jordan don't have good sense. You know?
Ooh.
Yeah, she cut it all off. And she said, my hair was all the way down to my butt. Oh, my. Why y'all didn't tell me? It was, I told her. Hard-headed. She said, oh, my friends want to see. They don't believe my hair was that long. And when she used that stuff, I was just telling her about that. She used that in her hip. Said, my hair was growing overnight. Said, I told you it does. You didn't believe me.
That was ladybug.
She's like, I was measuring. I went to sleep. It was this long. I'm like, you can tell, but you can't. It ain't nothing to measure.
She said I was measuring.
She did. But it was last year when she told me that. Stop.
Hey, babies, calm down. What's wrong? It's like this.
Back up. Stop being mean.
Stop being mean.
Tariq.
Stop. It's a pillow. It's a pillow.
Go in the room if you want to act like that.
It's
Yeah,
a ladybug. JD's gonna.
I told you to wait until I'm finished with her hair.
Stop
then you
shooting
can-
people. I don't want that, Tariq.
You can, you'll find your stuff.
It's a ladybug. It's a pillow. But now it is.
I measured it. It grew like an inch when I was asleep.
What's it dying?
No, not an inch. Like a couple days later it was.
It's not a ladybug anymore. It's a pillow. It's a ladybug pillow.
It's
ladybug pillow. But now,
it's gas.
it's a ladybug.
It's gas stone.
What?
It's gas stone.
What is a gas stone?
Is it Gaston or Gaston?
Gas stone is on King and Holly's little kingdom.
They're talking about like from Beauty and the Beast.
Get that out of
Oh,
your
I
mouth.
have a picture. I have a picture about that. Wait, I gotta get
Get
it.
out your mouth, Leah.
I'll show you. It's.
It's out of it now.
One second.
Where's she have it in now?
Measuring spoon.
Oh. I can't believe she still has this
You
necklace
should.
on.
Have too much problem if you split it in two and just get it even. You won't have to do it like this
Good,
again.
stop shooting.
You can do it yourself. Just split it down the middle.
Alright, because I don't trust nobody over there.
You have a picture of it.
Sweet
All
salt.
you're gonna do is make it even.
Alright. Go walk in, somebody come out and fall here.
You have a picture of Ben and Holly's little kingdom?
No. It was like this.
Oh god.
Look at it, Jasmine. Wait, you gotta read the.
Zana's going to sleep. Zana, look at Zana.
So are you going night
The bottom part.
I want
No.
It goes with the song. And no one takes it down. He's like,
Okay, turn. Watch out, Leah.
Hold up, baby.
Turn it back.
What?
Turn it back.
Yeah, help me.
Trying to get up to the light so I can see what I'm doing.
Let's see. Yeah, he does. Yeah. Let's see. Mom. Yeah.
Where are you going? I'm trying to get some polish.
Let me see it.
QT, you need to go take a break.
Last little bit.
Let me see the ladybug.
I don't even know. Let me see if the camera in it. Nope. Dropped it. Oh, I'm way on Justice. The camera was angled on you.
They're making pot. Hell no one.
It's not even stable anymore.
hold up. I need apple real quick.
I guess that's it.
Okay, you start to eat, Mom? Like some popcorn?
You need to wait a minute.
Somebody's on our porch.
My friends.
You not getting food for them?
Here, Justice.
No, I'm not gonna let them eat. Just eat.
Hold it, because
I told
I
them.
knocked it
They already
down.
ate. That's why.
Hold it so I can get this last little part.
Wait, Taylor.
Hold it right, yeah, up here so you can see that. Can you see? Go sit down, please. Or you can wait
How long?
until I'm finished.
You're doing hair.
Yeah, I'm almost finished.
There's someone standing on my porch.
Okay.
Malachi.
Stop, boy, girl. Layla, stop.
Stop. Is this all?
Can you see all of her hair? Or are you just holding it? You were just holding the camera, not on her hair.
It was on her hair. Look.
It's right there. It's right there. He can't find it. Find it. I put it.
Leave that door shut. It look pretty. Go underneath the bottom right here. Close the door.
Close the door. Come here, Layla.
Let me see. This hand.
It's just Malachi.
Because I cut it.
Who's Malachi?
I saw Malachi.
Who's Malachi?
Malachi.
Didn't you already have that other friend named Malachi?
I'm catching.
Mom, Malachi is on our floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what was that?
Leah, get
Other
down.
kid that she was friends with named Malachi.
Where's my nail polish?
Who always had the runny nose.
Over there.
All right, that looks
Give me my nail polish.
even.
And now my hair is just bushy.
Well,
Yeah, when you use it, tell me to find it.
It has curls.
Use it.
see, I didn't cut
Here.
that much off of it. Now it's hair all over the floor. Here. Okay.
It feels like I don't have any curls.
Oh, be quiet. All you have to do is go wet it.
I know. Lord.
Let me do your hair, Justice.
No, I'm fine. Justin won't let me do her makeup.
I'm gonna do your hair.
Not today. Yesterday.
I want you to go wet it.
Not right now.
He did say that.
I'm tired.
Condition it.
He didn't say
I conditioned it every day.
Well, I know.
He didn't say
I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, let her do it.
that. Is outside.
Not right now. My hair is fine. Let her do it.
Hair goals. You could be a hair model.
Why?
You know how many people want hair like that?
Well, too bad for them. They don't have it. They can wear wigs
So lush.
or weave or something. I don't care.
Yeah, you could be a hair model. All right. So nice and trim. I don't know how much was recorded, but
Leah.
in this vlog, I'm gonna do your hair, Justice. Jasmine's gonna do my makeup.
Look, this is my hair.
Let me
It's curly.
help.
Yeah, I don't want makeup on.
Oh,
See, it has curls.
Can you
Yeah, light curls. Let me see.
oh,
It's curly.
give me the
It's like
no.
3A, 3B. Look at this, Jasmine. It made a collage.
Guess what? I'm a
Why do you keep zooming in? You also made another one of Leah.
Look like
Your battery about to die. Look at this.
I know.
Jasmine.
It's empty. I'm getting ready to go charge it. So you can do my makeup. I gotta record that.
I'm gonna record it too.